When you are going through something, remember, when you are recalling what happened to you, it is true. It was your experience. Whether that experience happened or you make it up, it's true to you. It is true to you. But the fact is, it is mental. And the more we replay the truth over and over, remember, truth is your experience. Whether it is, doesn't matter. You keep telling it to yourself over and over again. We have this little thing called the principle of correspondence that once it gets in you, that is all that can come out. So it is very important to be able to distinguish between the truth and fact.